It began in total secrecy, with a mission nobody could talk about. A ship that would carry the weight of victory and the shadow of disaster. July 1945, the USS Indianapolis slices through the Pacific, carrying parts for the world's first atomic bomb. Her crew has no idea of their true cargo, or that their fate is about to become one of the war's greatest tragedies. After delivering the bomb components to Tinian Island, she sails home alone. No escort, no submarine warning. The war is nearly over, but for these men, the fight is just beginning. Just after midnight on July 30th, torpedoes from Japanese submarine I-58 smash into the Indy's starboard side. In 12 terrifying minutes, the ship is lost. Surrounded by pitch-black water, over 1,100 sailors now face the vast Pacific. Roughly 900 make it into the sea. There's no time to grab supplies, no lifeboats for most. Just life jackets, oil-slick waters, and the frantic cries of shipmates disappearing in the dark. For 4 endless days, these men battle relentless sun by day and bone-chilling cold by night. And beneath the surface, sharks. It's the largest shark attack in recorded history. Hundreds are pulled under, lost to the ocean without a sound. Dehydration and delirium set in. Men see mirages, drink salt water, and slip into madness. Each sunrise brings hope. Each night, more are gone. Incredibly, the Navy doesn't even know the ship is missing. No search is launched. Indy's distress signal was ignored, assumed a Japanese trap. The survivors are completely alone. A lucky sighting from a patrolling aircraft finally brings rescue. 5 days after the sinking, just 316 men are pulled from the water. The rest, over 800, lost. But the horror doesn't end there. Questions explode. Why did the Navy leave the Indianapolis unescorted and ignore her SOS? Why wasn't her disappearance noticed for days? Captain Charles McVay is court-martialed, the only wartime U.S. Navy captain ever tried for losing his ship to enemy action. He's blamed for not zigzagging, though even the enemy sub-commander says it would have made no difference. Survivors defend their captain. The Navy needs a scapegoat. For decades, the survivors struggle with trauma and fight for justice for their captain. Only in 2000 does Congress clear McVay's name. Far too late. He'd taken his own life years before, haunted by guilt that wasn't his to bear. The USS Indianapolis is a name etched in both triumph and tragedy. Her secret mission helped end the war. Her loss transformed Navy procedures and sparked decades of debate. And the courage of her crew lives on as a story of unimaginable endurance and sacrifice. Want to know more about the rescue, the aftermath, or other untold stories beneath the waves of World War II? Stay curious. The next episode is coming.